In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. Whether you're adjusting the layout for better readability or fitting more data onto a single page, being able to manipulate cell sizes is crucial. Let's walk through the process together. First, let's open up a Google Sheet. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that first. Once you've accessed the sheet you want to work on, it's time to start adjusting those cells. Position your mouse pointer between the letters at the top of the columns. You'll notice that the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow. This is your cue that you can resize the column. Click and drag the edge of the column to the desired width. You'll see the column grow or shrink in real time as you drag. This method allows for a very visual and intuitive approach to resizing, making it easier to see exactly how your changes affect the sheet layout. Now, let's do the same for a row. Just hover your mouse between the numbered rows on the side of your spreadsheet until the cursor changes to that same double-headed arrow. Click and drag the boundary to adjust the row height as needed. By familiarizing yourself with how this looks and feels, you'll be able to make changes efficiently in the future. There's also another way to specify exact measurements for your cells if precision is what you're after. You can right-click on a row number, which brings up a menu. From there, select Resize Row. A small dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter the preferred row height. Enter your value, then hit OK. This method is perfect when you know the exact size you want for uniformity across your sheet or for specific formatting needs. You can follow a similar procedure for columns. Right-click on the column letter, select Resize Column, and then type in your desired width. Click OK, and the column will adjust to your specified size. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining consistency, especially when you're working with data that needs to be standardized across multiple sheets or reports. Remember, making these adjustments not only affects readability, but also impacts how your data is represented. Well-sized cells can make a spreadsheet more aesthetically pleasing and easier to navigate, key factors when presenting your data to others. So experiment with these options and find what works best for your specific project needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.